Oops, and then my battery died. Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. What are we going to do today? Well, what I'm going to show you today is how to perform a compression test. So, I would say, come on over and we start. Now guys, to take the spark plugs out, that's very easy. And for a compression test, we only need to remove just one spark plug, because otherwise my compression chamber is open. We want to rotate the engine and build up compression, so we're only gonna take this one out, and that's rather easy. Normally, up, and then this is always in the way. Fucking. I like the design, but I absolutely don't like the quality. It's a Hepco and Becker, and don't buy it. It rusts like crazy. Then we're gonna take this connector off. And I like to use a small screwdriver, lift that lip, and then pull the connector out. Easy, eh? Very easy. For this one, the stick oil, you need a puller. Shove the puller over it, pull it out. So, quickly done, easy as Dell. Then take a bakje. Then yes, it's 14 mil. Okay. Hop. Yes, there he is. Looks more nice. In time I'm gonna renew them, but not now. No. So, then we go to the other side and we're gonna do the same thing. Guys, the next thing we're gonna do is unplug the injector connector, because in a moment we're gonna put the bike on ignition and rotate the engine, but I don't want to fire it up. So I'm gonna prevent it from firing it up. Up. This one out. Okay. Then we go to the other side. And we do the same. Hop. This one also. Over here I have my compression test meter and the hose that comes with it. Screw this one in. Okay. Then this end we're gonna screw in the spark plug hole and carefully rotate it. There he goes. Yes. Always screwed in by hand, but yeah, you can't do it another way. Okay. It's all the way in. Now let's see if we can somewhere. I'm gonna take a tie wrap and put it over there so you can have a good view at it. So something like this, because yeah, we want to do it. I want to do it the right way so you can see it. Hop, hey, old mechanic. Then guys, I get you closer. Now, the next thing we're gonna do, put the bike on ignition. And rotate the engine for a few seconds. Okay, off ignition. Guys, it's almost 14 bar. Have a look. Almost 14 bar. Then we push this button. In between 10 to 14 bar, it's good. So, we're gonna do the other side. Come on over. Up. Now, over here we're gonna do the same. Screw it in. Okay. Then now we're gonna rotate the engine again. Put the bike on ignition. Then oops, and then my battery died. So now guys, okay, then we're gonna start rotate the engine. Slightly more than the other side, but it's barely nothing, but it's on 14. So 14 bar, which is good, which is really good. Let's see, have a good look. 14. Now guys, that was my compression test of the engine. Came out very good. And we're gonna put this baby back in this case. See, I got for another bigger spark plugs also. And this one, if you look carefully, there are two different spark plug sizes. This fits. Then, come on. This one in, this one, and So, the next thing we're gonna do, guys, but that's, I'm not gonna put that on video, is to put the spark plug back in, the stick coil, the connector, attach this connector of the injectors on both sides, cap on, job done. I hope you like this video, and if you do, well, subscribe to my channel, nothing wrong with that. I hope to see you the next time.